Hi everyone, today I am going to paint a very beautiful palette with white, yellow, orange and pink shade. This is from the sets are from Love and Dots. So I'll be using light buttermilk, snow white, titanium white, lemon yellow, coral blush, bubblegum pink, royal fuchsia and vivid violet from Decor. Vivid violet I have used is light in my base coat paint, more of white, slate grey and little bit of vivid violet. I haven't made my base white so that my grid marks are visible and it's easy to draw your patterns. I have also sealed my center dot to make it a flat surface. So let's start mixing the palette. So this is white, this is white, light buttermilk and yellow, more of light buttermilk and yellow. This is yellow and I have lightened it using white. This is coral, straight floral blush and I have lightened it with white. This is a mix of floral blush and bubblegum pink and some white. This is a little bit of floral blush, bubblegum pink more and white. So I can see the color change from white to light yellow to yellow, orange, deep orange, then to pink, orange is pink. Then from here we are going to pink. This is mostly bubblegum pink, white and a little bit of floral brush and royal fuchsia also, small dry to get the more pink. This is mostly royal fuchsia, little bit of bubblegum pink and vivid violet. This is vivid violet, royal fuchsia. And once your palette is ready, always swipe out your color on the base where you want to do. So here my base is little bit pinkish white, so I have a black color paper, so I did 2 coats of my base coat. Then I am swiping out my colors to check the palette that I have prepared is as per what I require. Do it need more lightning or 2 colors are similar? So by swiping out I can know that my palette is proper to go ahead. Once the colors dry out, the color what we see now becomes more darker. So let your color dry out to check you have got the proper palette what you have mixed. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.